Good morning, we are intermediate 2 English students and today we are going to talk about the pollution of our planet. First of all, we want to start by saying an atypical data. Every second, more than 2,000 kilos of rubbish falls into the ocean. This is a very sad reality nowadays, and we want to share it so that everyone becomes aware about this and other environmental problems that exist. All of us know that pollution is a global problem that affects us all. But do you know what environmental pollution is? If you don't know, don't worry. We'll explain it to you now. Environmental pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the air atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. Environmental pollution occurs as a result of many important factors, like domestic solid waste, industrial solid waste, excess fertilizers and chemicals, logging, burning, garbage accumulation, carbon monoxide from vehicles, and sewage drainage. All of these cause a malfunction in the environment due to different physical, chemical, and biological contaminants. There are different types of pollution, but in this opportunity we are going to talk about three of them: soil pollution, air pollution, and water pollution.
Soil pollution. The abusive use of pesticides or sewage storage are the main triggers from the industrial point of view, but the very development of cities through the misuse of garbage has become the first catalyst of soil degradation, in addition to some toxic waste that it takes many years to decompose, so that its harmful effect is felt for a long time. We continue with air pollution. As for air pollution, the main problem is that its composition is altered, so that what we breathe is no longer healthy from our bodies. The main triggers are the extraction of fossil hydrocarbons, toxic gases from transportation and industry, the burning of forests, and the rise of the livestock sector. In general, the alteration of the air means that the temperature increases, causing global warming that has a direct impact on the survival of many animals and plant species. At the last type of pollution we will about is water pollution. The little care given to water causes pollution of the sea and rivers, showing discharges, oil spills, practice dumped into sea, or the discriminate and abusive use phytosanitary products are some of the processes and actions that explain why water is polluted. To this, we must answer with two factors that have a decisive influence on the quality of the water. On the one hand, the increase in temperature has a result of climate change, which alters its composition. On the other, indiscriminate felling of trees and deforestation causes colonies of bacteria to develop in the soil that, in the long term, filter and contaminate the groundwater.
Consequences. All this damage that is being done to the environment has very severe consequences such as a deterioration of ozone layer and increase in endangered species, making the infrared of unreadily able to generate agriculture and angry problem for our health. To prevent this pollution, we must burn output plants, control the use of fertilizer and pesticide, not throw garbage in appropriate place, try to control accidental or splits, and above all create human awareness. In this way we will be helping our planet. And finally, to conclude this presentation, we are going to give some recommendations that you can use if you want to be more friendly with the environment. First, you can use EcoLife. We think that solar panel is an excellent option. Consume biofruits as well as a fruit that helps to protect the environment. These fruits are better for your health. Avoid using plastic. For example, you can change your plastic bag for eco bag. They will last much longer and the environment is going to be grateful to you. So don't forget, all of us can take care of our planet. Thank you.